We were young and so naive about the way this world can seem, and still we danced, Daddy never seemed to.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a week in my life as a hairstylist. So I'm just going to take you around with me this week at the salon, showing you some of my clients. So today's client, she has longer hair. It's a little bit warm and she's already cut it blonde. I'll insert the before footage right here. So she just wants to be a little bit lighter and brighter, not quite ashy, not quite warm. She wants to be pretty neutral and just brighten up the blonde that she already has. So I'm just using 20 volume bleach by Redken and using saran wrap instead of foil since she has long hair. Okay, this is what we're looking like processing right now. So I just did some hand painted balayage pieces all over. Again, using saran wrap to separate the sections, leaving sections in between each balayage piece for some added dimension. Okay, here is the finished product. Okay, so I'm filming in our other bathroom because it's still too loud out in the salon to be able to like hear anything that I say to film out there. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about my next client. So she is just a bleach retouch, meaning that she's completely blonde. She doesn't have any highlights or any darker areas anywhere. So she just comes in, we just touch up her roots with bleach, and then I usually like to tone her down to about a level 8 or 7 or 8, because she doesn't like to be too platinum like white blonde. She likes to be a little bit more like beigey, like kind of like a medium blonde. So yeah, I'll show you guys what she looks like.
Carry on, baby.
Okay, here's my client's before hair today. She's got very ashy hair and a little bit of blonde throughout, but we want to be a lot brighter, so we're just going to do some hand-painted balayage all over to lift out some of the dark that she has in between, and we're going to stick with the ashy tones because she loves the ashy. So yeah, we're just going to lighten her and get her nice and blonde.
Holding on to nothing at all. Nothing at all. Maybe we're broken, but we just can't hide it. We're holding on to nothing at all. Nothing at all. Don't tell me you're sorry when I know you're not. Please don't keep me wasting all my time if it's over.
Okay, so my client that I have today, she is just a root touch-up. So all we do is touch up her roots. She has black hair and she's pretty gray. So we just touch up her roots and then we do a little bit of a treatment on her ends to freshen up her color and freshen up her ends because she does have a little bit of frizzy, kind of unmanageable hair. So the treatment that we do really helps to seal it in. It's just kind of like a clear glossing treatment, but we add a little bit of some pH bonder into it to smooth her hair. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit of the treatment and then the after.
You're sorry when I know you're not. Please don't keep me wasting all my time if it's over. Don't tell me you're sorry when I know you're not. Please don't it's over.
Okay guys, so my client today, she's got darker hair. Last time she came in, we just did a demi-permanent color all over her old balayage just to darken it up. So it's faded a little bit now. She has some light areas where she just wants to kind of bring some dark throughout, add a little bit of dimension. So I'm going to use a demi-permanent color again, add some lowlights throughout just to match her natural color so that those dark pieces won't fade quite as much and she'll have a little bit of dimension in. So I'll show you guys the before, after, and processing. And anything else that I feel like adding.
Please don't keep me wasting all my time if it's over.
So my client now, she has naturally curly hair and it's kind of a little bit of a medium brown currently. She just wants to add a little bit of dimension throughout, so I'm going to just do a little bit of some balayage pieces to kind of blend them up into her natural because she's really low maintenance. Then we're going to tone her down to like a caramely kind of color. She just wants a little bit of something different, a little bit of dimension.
I'm just trying to kick it, you're so bullheaded. Hung up on the dishes, I'm like, oh, forget that. You had time for that back on Tuesday. Think I'm gonna go just for the weekend. Solo on the road, fresh air for my soul. Gas my thoughts like glow sticks. Highlight something I missed. Why can't you just kick it, you're so bullheaded.
So I also wanted to mention that my last client told me that she had, prior to coming in, not like right before, but it was back in November, she had done a box blue color on her hair. So that's why when you see the after or the before the toner, like after we're done processing, it looks a little bit green because usually blue fades out to green. So I just went ahead and toned her with a toner that had a little bit of a red undertone. So the red will cancel out the green, and that's what makes it that kind of neutral shade in the end. So I just wanted to throw that out there so you guys weren't like, why is this green? Why does it look weird? It's because she had done that prior color, but that's why we just went ahead and add a little bit of red into her toner formula and cancel that out for her. Okay guys, so today is Friday. It's my last day of the week working. So these are going to be my last two clients that I'm going to show you. So today's client, she has a little bit of like kind of some blonder hair. She came in last time and we did a balayage with foil and she didn't lift that much because she had some previous color. So today we're going to go a little bit lighter. I'm going to do some foils around her face to give her a nice bright money piece around her face, and then we're going to be using saran wrap on her ends to be able to lift as much of her ends as possible without adding any damage. So I will show you guys what it looks like after she's done processing, and then before and after the toner, and then the finished product.
You don't even care about me. You don't even care about us. I'm stuck in your lies, a hand on your thigh, a look in your eyes. They're saying too much about me, drowning in a sea of blue. I'm stuck in your lies in your head. This ain't no disguise, baby. This ain't no disguise. We've been going back and forth and nothing ever changed. Saying that you need me and you're tripping on your face. You're sorry, you're sorry.
Okay guys, so this is my last client of this video. This is the one and only Casey Nicole Wagstaff. So anyways, this is her hair right here. We just colored her hair and lifted it about, what, 3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago maybe? Before, yeah, 2-ish weeks ago, right before she went on a cruise to Cuba. So her hair has some chemicals on it from some chlorine and salt water. Her scalp is peeling a little bit because she got a little burnt. So we're going to give her a nice, really clarifying shampoo to get rid of any chemicals or anything she has on her ends. And then we are going to do a treatment to soften it back up after being through all of that sun and chemicals and all of that. And we're going to tone her a little bit darker and ashier. So I'll show you guys what the toner looks like and when it looks like when it's done.
Back and forth and nothing ever changed. Saying that you need me and you're tripping on your face. You're sorry, you're sorry. I've heard it all before. Tripping on your face, tripping on your face, babe. And I hope you hit it hard. Tripping, tripping. And I hope you hit it hard. I hope you hit it. And I bet you really feel that shit right now. I bet you really